السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome back to Miss Nahna's class. You are still in level 2, but today we will study something new. We will study about sound. You already finished all letters and you already finished the position of the letters. Now you will study the sound of the letter. We will start first with short vowels. What are short vowels? Are you ready to learn? Come with me. Short vowels are three vowels: Fatha and Kasra and Dhamma. Let's start with Fatha. Fatha is a small slash on the top of the letter, like this. And Kasra is a small slash under the letter, like this. But Dhamma is a small wow on the top of the letter. So, Fatha, small slash on the top, Kasra, small slash under, and Dhamma on the top. How can those short vowels affect the sound? For example, for this, ba, Fatha, ba. Fatha means open your mouth but not too long. Ba, ba. And make short vowel, don't say ba. This is too much. This is long vowel. Just short vowel. Ba, 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 Fatha, ba. For Kasra, we are pulling the sound down. Ba, Kasra, B. Ba, Kasra, B. Good job. For ba, Dhamma. Ba, Dhamma, bu. With Dhamma, we have to make O shape in our mouth. So Fatha means open your mouth. Kasra means pull the letter down. And Dhamma means make O shape with your legs. Bu. Good job. Are you ready for more practice? Now we will take all sound with just Fatha. Remember, Fatha means open your mouth a little bit. Make like ba, like ba. And those are short vowels. Fatha is a short vowel. Don't make it ba, just ba. Now let's practice the sound for all alphabet. What is letter? I'm hearing somebody say Alif. This is not Alif. Correct it. This is Hamza. Good job. Hamza, Fatha, A. Ba, Fatha, ba. Ta, Fatha, ta. Tha, Fatha, tha. Jim, Fatha, ja. Ha, Fatha, ha. Kha, Fatha, kha. Dal, Fatha, da. Zal, Fatha, ذا. را, Fatha, را. زا, Fatha, زا. سين, Fatha, سا. شين, Fatha, شا. صاد, Fatha, صا. ضاد, Fatha, ضا. طا, Fatha, طا. ظا, Fatha, ظا. عين, Fatha, عا. غين, Fatha, غا. فا, Fatha, فا. قاف, Fatha, قا. كاف, Fatha, كا. لام, Fatha, لا. ميم, Fatha, ما. نون, Fatha, نا. ها, Fatha, ها. واو, Fatha, وا. يا, Fatha, يا. Always open your mouth and keep the sound up when you say A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, ذا, را, زا, سا, شا, صا, ضا, طا, ظا, ع, غا, فا, قا, كا, لا, ما, نا, ها, wa, ya. Now we will practice how to read some words that have just Fatha. Let's see. Kha, Fatha, kha. Lam, Fatha, la. Kha, la. Qaf, Fatha, qa. Kha, la, qaf. Again. Kha, Fatha, kha. لام فتحة لا خ لا قاف فتحة قا خ لا قا قاف فتحة قا دال فتحة دا قا دا ميم فتحة ما قا دا ما قا دا ما قا دا ما عين فتحة ع دال فتحة دا ع دا دال فتحة دا ع دا دا ع دا دا ع دا دا واو فتحة و عين فتحة ع و ع دال فتحة دا و ع دا و ع دا و ع دا let's go عين فتحة ع ب فتحة ب ع ب دال فتحة دا ع ب دا ع ب دا ع ب دا شين فتحة شا را فتحة را شا را عين فتحة ع شا را ع شا را ع شا را ع let's read all again خ لا قا خ لا قا قا دا ما قا دا ما ع دا دا ع دا دا و ع دا و ع دا ع ب دا ع ب دا ش را ع ش را ع Excellent! This is how to read all words with Fatha. You did a good job. It was hard? I don't think so. I'm sure you understand and I'm sure you can do it. Thank you so much for watching and see you next class with more exercise about Fatha. Assalamu alaikum.